do you think, hon? You're gonna hit thin spots. All right, I'm sure when a snake bites us through our sandals, this is gonna be a bad choice. But in the meantime, for the sand, yeah. Check it out. I like that one. Better. Don't get lost.
Take a video.
I think it's recording. Thanks. Oh yeah, we're recording. You gotta record your own video? Right up the gap. See, he's right here. Make it. Watch your camera back. Like this. Oh, it's a little dark. All right, never mind.
Quite a lot more than hidden behind that point.
Nice.
If somebody give me,
We can do it the lazy. We
it's
can.
the only one hard part that's going up.
Oh no, there's worse ones than this.
Oh, it's worse than.
There's worse than this, yeah.
We will just meet you in there. Just.
Well, I was gonna do the lazy trick for you and just kneel down and let you step on my back.
This is more worse than going up, right?
What's that?
This.
You okay when you do it that way? Yeah, just a little sideways. I got video us. Don't fall. Don't fall. Pay attention to where you're walking. Dead bodies. Oh, we gotta go up over it, yeah. I think you can make it, just hands to each side.
Okay.
You want me to show you? So I can always come back down. One, this thing is stuck. So if you can just walk on that. All right, if you can climb up on top of the stick. Stand up all the way on the top. No? Can you make it? No? Can you reach my hand? If you can reach my hand, I can help pull you up.
Okay, I should
Yep. Don't worry, I'm already over the top. You making it?
Yeah, good with me.
Just a little?
Yeah.
You may die in here. Don't worry, you can almost walk these, hon. It's just hilly. This will be another one, but come up this way and I'll get you. Right up to the landing, right where I'm at. Nope, big step. There you go. Oh, I think it goes on it. Well, we've reached our end. We've reached the end. I got your selfie stick, but.
Don't forget to look up and enjoy the view.
Honeycomb. I should go back to pushing the ASA. So your slowest group of hikers? Close?
People not be able to get over it.
I'm not thinking that's really the easiest way, but okay. How do you get up?
Take a picture.
Do you see yours? But that also goes, that should go up. Oops.
Later.
Well, whatever.
You can do your foot to it. It's pretty close to
I'm
you.
gonna hold them up.
Here,
And then,
there you go. Step up on my foot. Step up there. You're good to go. Yeah. I'm gonna go lazy man way. Canyon's narrow enough. The lazy old man way. All right, you got some more? Oh, yep. Butt against one side if you have to. There's no shame in sitting.
yeah.
I mean, your clothes get a little dirty, but I don't think they're gonna stay clean anyways. Once you get up, honey, go turn around.
also the whole time.
Oh yeah, it is.
That's the last one.
At least until well after we have time to charge it again. I think we're gonna have to take a shower when we get back. You can climb up there, hon? No.
Spider-Man.
He's Spider-Manning it. Honeycomb. Honeycomb. We're gonna have to fix some of those, hopefully when we edit it. So that's easing your way through?
You see this? This is what you gotta do.
And just inch you up. Use your hands to push your back up. Use your leg for pressure. Use your hands behind you to help push your back up. And you just slide up a little bit at a time. Well, yeah, but your feet on the other wall. Sure. Very close up. If you felt really tough, hon. Oh, they're coming back.
We're not going back though, right?
Yeah, you gotta go back, hon.
Back that way.
We're gonna go back in a way? Yeah?
You can do it.
We're going
I'll
back
come
on
over
there.
there and
Yeah.
help you out.
Not one way?
No, it's not one way. If you think you've gone far enough, we can turn back.
Yeah, you can turn back whenever you like.
Okay,
You gonna sneak under them and head back? We're calling it on this one?
yeah.